First up is the Garmin Dashcam 67W. This compact dashcam packs an impressive 1440p resolution with HDR into a tiny, nearly invisible design. Its super wide 180-degree lens captures nearly everything around your car. However, there's some cons to this wonderful dashcam. The 7W can be a bit pricey if you plan to mount multiple units. Up next, we have the Nextbase 622GW. A feature powerhouse that delivers stunning 4K video along with cutting-edge extras like built-in Alexa voice controls and an emergency SOS feature. Its digital image stabilization and 120 FPS mode in 1080p ensure your footage is as smooth as a fresh jar of peanut butter. But this dashcam comes with a higher price tag, and its feature-rich interference might feel as complicated as trying to explain puns to a cat. Up next is the Rover R2 4K Pro. For those keeping an eye on their budget without compromising on quality, the Rover R2 4K Pro dashcam is a great option. It delivers crisp 4K footage, features dual band Wi-Fi, and has integrated GPS. However, the Rover R2 4K Pro lacks some of the advanced driver assist features found in pricier models. Up next is the Vantrue N2 Pro Dual 1080p. If you need a dashcam that covers both the road and the cabin, the Van N2 Pro Dual 1080p is a solid choice. However, the N2 Pro falls short with its lack of built-in connectivity and a dedicated smartphone app. Its small onboard screen and less intuitive controls can feel as outdated as a dad joke about telephones. Up next is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is our top pick. It's so small, it might even hide from your in-laws. On the downside, the Mini 2 doesn't include a built-in screen for the on-go review, and it lacks GPS functionality. Another